Mikawu Akamiyefu. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy nappie. Like today I'm having a street festival with the Gambian friend. So this is his first time here?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Good.
First time ever.
So we're going to, what are we going to do? We're just going to walk through the street.
We're going to have fun.
Yo, what's up Linda?
Hi guys.
So today I have you again on my channel.
Yes, I will always be on this channel.
So this is the first time being with, coming to this festival,
Yes.
right? Good. Alright.
So you have to experience how it goes. So please stay tuned. But you already did the intro yesterday.
No, I've not done that.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So this is my third time being here. And it's going to be lit. Like a whole lot of people walking on the streets, street arts and all that. Just find out yourself. Look around. And you see everything beautiful here. So come with me. Let's go!
The Chale Wote Festival is a platform that brings art, music, dance, and other performances out into the streets of Accra. This targets between scores and locals of international arts and patrons by creating, appreciating art together. So since 2011, Chale Wote has included street painting, graffiti, photography, theater, spoken words, and many more. This is awesome. So people from all walks of life come to Accra just to celebrate this amazing festival. Like, you can't just believe it. This is amazing. Like, everyone involved here walks on the streets of Accra in Jamestown, just going up and down, seeing beautiful art. Others displaying their beautiful art, dance, and culture on the streets of Jamestown here in Accra. This is really amazing, guys. I just can't have enough of it. I'm not going to talk anymore. Just come with me.
connecting lines of which we cross, which we cross. Dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground. Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lines is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I left. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we cross.